guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how to look expensive on a budget, and I'm starting off with skincare. So what I'm doing right now is dermaplaning. I left the definition on the screen for you guys, but it's really easy. You literally take a razor. I got mine from CVS, super cheap. I think it was like $2 for a pack of 3. And I'm just going over all the places on my face that have hair, and I promise you, your skin will feel so silky and smooth when you're done doing this. It's amazing. Next, I'm going on to my Wander Beauty Gold Eye Masks. So this is super awesome. I love these. They really hydrate underneath my eyes and make me feel awake. I feel like I'm going to get a facial, but I'm at home. They're super inexpensive, not expensive at all. I believe you do have to get them online, but oh my god, the difference underneath my eyes is amazing. Now do not wash this off. Make sure you rub it in. That's when you'll see the best results. I just put it on top of my eyes as well because I really think it helps with the puffiness and it feels amazing on the skin. Next, I'm taking my First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is one of the best face moisturizers I've ever tried. Yes, it is in Sephora, but it is on the lower scale of pricing. It works super well, and I have super dry, sensitive skin, and it doesn't break me out or irritate my skin in any way. It feels amazing on the skin. Do not forget your neck. That is the most important part, so make sure you definitely put it on your neck. Now I am doing little massages on my face. Now I don't do this every day. Sometimes I'll do it once a week, but I do recommend doing it every single day. It's really going to help with the swelling and the puffiness in your skin, and trust me, you will get results when you do this. It really just makes your skin feel a lot less swollen in the mornings. My hair, so starting with it damp, not completely wet, I'm going to put in my Caviar CC cream. So this is an expensive product, but as you can see, I have a little sample size, and I definitely recommend that, especially when you're on a budget. It's definitely nice to try a sample before you buy the full-size product, so that's definitely what I recommend doing. I got it at Sephora, and I'm just going to put it in through my ends and then a little bit through the upper part of my hair. It makes my hair feel amazing, and it also has a heat protectant in it. So now I always make sure I brush the product through my hair so it disperses evenly. So I'm just doing that with my favorite wet brush. Now I'm just showing you what I use in my hair. So this is Shimmer Lights, and you can get it at Sally's Beauty, and it really helps with blonde hair. And also an amazing shampoo and conditioner is from Kenra. It's my absolute favorite. I do recommend getting a higher priced shampoo and conditioner because it'll totally be worth it for your hair. I am taking my Hot Tools blow dryer, and I'm just going to blow dry my hair. What I like to do is actually just flip my hair from side to side to get maximum volume, and I'll also flip my head over and blow dry it that way to get volume as well. Now it's all done and completely dry, so I'm taking my Hot Tools 1-inch curling iron. So I actually curl my hair very differently. I'll take the iron and I'll go over my hair, making sure the roots are straight, and then I'll curl my hair up like normal, leaving the ends out. And then when I release it, I like to twist it a lot, so I'll go down a little, twist it, release it a little, twist it again. And then when I get down to the ends, I'll pull the iron straight. So it really keeps those ends straight. I really like the look of a very like tousled, messy look, as opposed to like a perfect curl. finish, you'll see they look like little sausage curls. I don't know. So I'm just going to take my hands and run them through my hair. This is the only way I do it. I don't use a brush. I just think it makes things look fluffier and frizzier. I just don't like it at all. So that's personally my favorite method. And I just kind of like shake it out and tousle it. And my favorite texturizing spray is the Chi Infra Texture. I really love how this makes my curls look. So I spray a ton of it on my hair. So now I just take my Orlando Pita spray. It's a shine spray and it really makes your hair look so shiny and glossy and super healthy. So that's why I really like this spray. On to makeup. So now I'm just taking my Born This Way concealer in the shade Almond. So this is definitely on the pricier side. I think it's around $32, but I definitely recommend doing this instead of using a foundation, especially for saving money. Plus this is super full coverage and it's a more hydrating concealer, which I really like because I'm on the dry side. So honestly, I would just recommend dipping out on a foundation altogether because your skin is going to look really flawless without looking cakey. Next, I'm just taking my Maybelline Better Skin powder and I'm just applying it all over my skin. So this is in the shade Light, super affordable, and honestly, it's a really good product. Now I'm taking my mini Hoola bronzer, so I definitely recommend just getting a mini size. It'll definitely save you money, and honestly, I've been using this for a super long time and there's still a lot of product in it. Now I'm taking my MAC blush in Melba, so this is on the expensive side. This is my all-time favorite blush. Next, I have my BH Cosmetics Carly Bible palette, and I'm just going to take the highlighter in there. This is a beautiful, beautiful highlighter, so I'm just going to apply it in all the places that I would normally highlight, and it is bright, guys. Next, just taking my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara and my Kiss Eyelash Curler, and I'm just going to curl my lashes up and apply a generous amount of mascara. Now, this is the best mascara, in my opinion, at the drugstore, so I definitely get it, even better than some high-end mascaras. Going back into my Hoola bronzer, I'm just going to apply that into my crease, just to give some definition. That's all I really like to do on an everyday basis. Now I'm taking my Vintage Black Liner Pencil and I'm just going to apply it to my waterline. I got this in my BoxyCharm. I'm not sure how much it is. I'll leave it down below, but there is definitely a good eyeliner by Maybelline, so if you want to check that out, you can. So next I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel, and a great dupe for that is the Maybelline Clear Mascara. It's honestly the same exact thing and it's really amazing. Lastly, I'm going to take my Buxom Lip Gloss in Dolly, and it's just a pale mauve, and I think it looks great on a lot of different skin tones, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lips. And that's the finished look. So next is fashion, and all of these pieces are from Shein.com. Now tell me this does not look like an exact replica of the Gucci set. I'm obsessed with this. It's amazing quality and it looks great on. Next I have this tweed set, and it reminds me of Chanel so much without costing nearly as much as the price of a Chanel item, and I think it looks so put together and cute. Lastly, I have this cute little romper which reminds me of something from Free People, definitely not even close to the price of a Free People item, and you look really cute and classy. Next I have accessories. So this is actually a top from Princess Polly, but you can also use a neck scarf. I'm tying it around a basic white t-shirt, and I'm going to tie it into a bow. And I think this really made the look totally classy and a lot more expensive looking, and it really helped jazz up the plain white t-shirt that I'm wearing. Next I have one of my favorite accessories right now, and that's tassel earrings. I think they look good in the summer, I think they look good in the fall, in the winter. I always think they look put together, super classy, and really cute. Lastly, for accessories, I have these super cute over-the-knee boots. I'm obsessed with these. These were $60 from DSW. I don't remember the brand, but I'm sure you'll see them. Lastly, how could you look expensive without having confidence? It's definitely something I've struggled with in the past, but honestly, confidence will get you everywhere in life. You have to stand tall. You have to feel like you're beautiful no matter what you're wearing. And yeah, I finally feel like I've gotten to that place, so definitely have confidence or fake it till you make it, girl.
And in the dark times, you don't have to question if I'm on where we are. You could put an ocean between our love. It won't keep us apart. You could build a